Hi, I'm Dr. Alison Grimaldi, physiotherapist, researcher and educator. And you've probably already guessed that my area of expertise and passion is the hip and pelvic region. Although I've conducted over 100 practical workshops worldwide and offered online learning for over 10 years, the COVID-19 pandemic forced a re-evaluation of how I could offer both high-quality interactive learning and community for so many who have been professionally and socially isolated by this situation, or simply by their location. Hip Academy was my solution, and I hope it becomes yours.
As a busy clinician or educator, do you find it difficult to access the information you need when you need it? Most scientific papers are behind a paywall. Many are not easily translated by the clinician, and internet search engines tend to serve up popular media that may be far from evidence-based. Hip Academy is an information hub for all things hip, providing you with the available scientific evidence in an easy-to-understand and clinically meaningful way, based on 30 years of clinical practice, postgraduate education and teaching, and an understanding of research methodology. The hip and pelvic region can seem daunting, with so many potential sources of nociception, mechanisms of overload or injury, and an extensive system of muscles that control movement and forces that cross the region. Do you sometimes find it difficult to know where to start, which tests to apply, and exactly how to apply them? Hip Academy not only provides online learning that steps through conditions, mechanisms, and appropriate test batteries, but the growing how-to resource libraries of technique videos and downloadable PDF cheat sheets make it easy to find exactly what you need whenever you need it. Once you have the diagnosis nailed, then it's time for treatment. Best clinical outcomes will be achieved when the management plan is built on a solid understanding of mechanisms and impairments underlying the condition. Hip Academy's online courses, eBooks and video library provide clear frameworks and exercise ideas that visibly communicate how you can apply the information in the clinic immediately. Whether you are a sole practitioner or one of dozens working in a large organisation, do you ever feel professionally isolated? Face-to-face courses are currently rare, and most conferences are online in a one-way, listen-only format. Personal interaction is extremely limited. Hip Academy aims to develop a community of health professionals that have the opportunity to meet and interact in a forum and live meetings. 45-minute live meetings provide exclusive content, allowing live questions and member discussions around key clinical issues, with members all over the globe tuning in live. All sessions are recorded and available exclusively for members. And there is the additional option of one-on-one Zoom mentoring to answer specific questions or troubleshoot difficult clinical cases. Hip Academy can help you achieve some key professional goals. Stack up those professional development hours that are often a requirement of professional registration. Increase your confidence in this area and gain reward from great clinical outcomes and allowing your patients to regain their quality of life. Develop your niche in the hip, standing out from others as an expert in this field. Find further information and answers to frequently asked questions on the dralisongrimaldi.com Hip Academy page.
So if you're tired of combing the internet for answers when you feel bamboozled or defeated by those patients with tricky hips, you need to look no further. With clear, clinical, evidence-based resources in multiple formats, Hip Academy has everything you need whenever you need it. Come and join our community at Hip Academy. We look forward to meeting you.